Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about this tiny piece of kit for photographers and videographers who use their phones to create their content on. It's the new Ulanzi JJ02 Bluetooth Extendable Grip Tripod. So, before talking about this piece of kit, I would like to say in full disclosure that my friends over at Ulanzi provided me with this JJ02 for me to make an unbiased review on. And I did not receive any payment for this, nor did they have any say in the review's content. All opinions expressed are solely my own. I've been using Ulanzi products now for quite some time, and I have quite a bit of their gear which I bought with my own money and which I use for my photography and videography projects, because I've always found Ulanzi products to be well designed, using quality materials and at a fair price. In fact, in the link above here, you can see a video review which I did on the Ulanzi VL 110 RGB LED tube lights, which I'm using to light this side of my face right now in this video. So let's take a look first at how the JJ02 Bluetooth Extendable Grip Tripod comes packaged and what's inside the box. So as you can see, the JJ02 comes packed nice and neatly in a small cardboard box. Extendable Grip Tripod JJ02, manufactured by Ulanzi, and on the back here we have more information and the address of the manufacturer. So let's see what's inside the box. So first of all, we have here our quality control certificate, and underneath we have our instruction booklet, which comes in 7 different languages, including Spanish and English. We also have a tiny Allen key wrench, which is used for tightening the swivel head if it works loose. And then finally, we have the JJ02 Extendable Grip Tripod itself in this small plastic insert. I was surprised by how tiny this little piece of kit really is. Just look at it. It fits perfectly in the palm of my hand, and my hands are pretty small, and it would also fit into my pocket without a squeeze. Now, as you can see it here folded, it measures just 10 centimeters in length by 3 centimeters at its widest point by 2 centimeters on the other side. It's made of what feels like a strong plastic and also has an extendable metal, I imagine aluminium pole in the middle. And the phone holder itself, in its feet and at the back, have rubber protection, which will protect your phone from getting scratched and also will hold your phone more securely. It weighs just 118 grams and can take a payload of up to 500 grams, which is half a kilo. Now you're probably thinking, why would my phone weigh half a kilo? Well, the great thing about this little piece of apparatus is that it also has these 2 cold shoe mounts where you can mount 2 lights or a light and a microphone, as you can see right now. And this can be used either vertically or horizontally, as you prefer. On the top here, it has a removable Bluetooth shutter release button, which can be removed and attached to the hole on the forward-facing leg, or it can be completely removed from the grip tripod and used as a handheld shutter release button. And Ulanzi tells us that this Bluetooth shutter release button has a range of up to 10 meters. The Bluetooth shutter release uses a small 3-volt CR1225 lithium battery, and it automatically shuts down after 5 minutes of being inactive. So how can we use the JJ02? Well, it can be used as a tabletop extendable mini tripod in horizontal or vertical shooting positions. And you can remove the Bluetooth shutter release button and use it in your hand. It can be used as an extendable Bluetooth selfie stick for photos and for video in horizontal or vertical shooting position with or without accessories on the cold shoe mounts. Just remove the Bluetooth button from the top and slot it into the handle here at the bottom so that you can control your Bluetooth selfie stick directly from the handle. And this is probably my favorite feature of the JJ02. When folded, it can be used as a grip to hold your phone in the horizontal position, with the Bluetooth shutter release button on the top, just like on any other camera. This makes it much more comfortable and secure to hold. Instead of trying to hold your phone by the edges, believe me, holding your phone like this and having the shutter release here on the top is so comfortable. So what is my honest opinion about the JJ02? Well, I really do like this piece of kit a lot. And I can see myself carrying it in my pocket or in my camera bag where it will take up very little space. And like that, I'll always be ready and prepared to create content by whipping out my phone and attaching it to the Ulanzi JJ02. It's very small. The materials used seem to be good quality and it's sold at a fair price. If you're interested in buying this useful piece of kit, please use my affiliate link in the description of this video. The product will cost you the same, and I will receive a small commission, which will help me to continue creating content for you on my channel. Well, I hope you liked this video and found it interesting and informative. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.